beautiful holiday season with your family. Speaking of family, you're gonna get to meet mine. My sister and my brother-in-law are coming over for gingerbread night. Yay, I'm so excited. So sit back, relax, pour yourself some delicious hot cocoa, and let the Christmas magic begin. So right now it's a little crazy because my family is about to come in about a half an hour, 40 minutes, and I still have to set up for gingerbread night. Do you see the table? It's empty. So I'm a little stressed, but that's okay because I'm gonna get it done because that's what moms do, right, moms? We get it done. So I was a little upset this year. I couldn't find a gingerbread house kit to actually build. I guess everybody's staying safe and being home this year, and I guess a lot of people are doing gingerbread. So I found this pre-built one in Target, but you know what? This is good for Robby. He'll just be happy putting candy on it. So I'm not gonna drive myself crazy. So this little gingerbread kit is gonna go with Robby's place, right here. I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet until we're actually doing it, because I know my son and he's just gonna run to it and start like doing his crafts. So that's staying on there for now. All right, next, we need candy. Let's go get the bowls. So now I'm just putting all different kind of candies in these little Christmas bowls, and we'll just all pick and decorate. So we're doing tonight gingerbread houses, but I also have coming up to show you, we got gingerbread men cookies to make also, so I'm really excited about that. So we are just going all out for gingerbread night this year. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited to have everybody here. I'm going to fill them up with candy. Fill them up. So I actually got this gingerbread cookie kit from one of my good friends, Corey B. She bakes and she makes the most delicious cookies, and we love you, Corey, and thank you so very much for these delicious gingerbreads. And look what else she made, which I'm obsessed with. These are gingerbread men mug hangers. Hello, is this the most cutest thing or what? I'm so excited about them. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with them right now. Okay, so each cup gonna have a little hanger. Oh my God, I just love that. How freaking cute is that? Now, I don't know if my husband and my brother-in-law are gonna really drink hot cocoa. I doubt it. So they might drink some coffee, but either way, they'll have their little gingy. And I love them. Oops, my sister and brother-in-law are here, and I ran out of time. My sister's going upstairs to play with Robby while I finish this preparation. Okay, so I picked peppermint hot chocolate. I think this is like really a cute idea, something different. So I'm making ornament hot cocoa bowls, I guess. I guess you could call them bowls. You put the cocoa in here. Wash the ornaments, girls and boys. Wash them first. I already washed them. Mine is already washed. Make sure you wash them. I got these at the Dollar Tree, these ornaments. They're plastic. don't have to worry about anything breaking. They're pretty durable. Okay, boom. I'm gonna make one at a time so I don't mix them up because they're two different flavors. Okay, so we got that. Now I'm gonna put some chocolate chips in, mini chocolate chips. You could find the mini ones. I couldn't find the mini ones. I gotta be honest with you, I was a little upset. I kind of wanted the little. Okay. I don't want anything else in here. No, I think this one is ready to go. Then put the ornament top back on. Now I just made one of these for me and my sister because I can't see my husband and brother-in-law getting down with the hot chocolate like this. I just can't. So I did one. Now I'm going to put a bow on it. Now if you had a handle on it, I would just attach this to the handle, but since we don't, I'm just going to do a bow. Like that. I just love these hot cocoa Christmas ornaments, something different. Robby, what are you doing right now? You telling Santa what you want? You preparing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Oh.
Robby there?
He is!
Come on, Robby.
There he is!
There he is.
Robby. Hi, Santa!
My gosh. Give me a couple of seconds to get the Santa 3000 recorder working.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to record this so you can keep that. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a picture.
Okay.
So for like 30 seconds, try and hold still. Everybody in the picture who wants to be in it. I'll take him back. And I said, no, I'm going to keep him. And then I thought about college and everything, and I said, no, here, you can take him back. I love your earrings, Mom. They're really
Thank you. We love gingerbread in this house. Robby, who's here? Uncle Yaya, aka Uncle Bernard, my brother-in-law.
Where's my hubby? Hubby? Hubby!
Oh, hubby! Hubby, hubby!
Babe! I love you!
Uncle Bernard, you missed Santa! Uncle Yaya has arrived.
Robby.
Ah! It's time for hot cocoa. Look how easy that was. Diana, watch us occurred.
I think she wants it to get worse.
No, I don't.
Oh no.
Diana, what happened to your...
My house just collapsed.
Robby, what happened? What happened? He's upset about the house. Robby, I think we officially named you the gingerbread winner.
Look at you.
Robby was just telling me how he liked my house.
Well, looks like you're gonna have to build some more.
All right, we gotta rebuild it.
All right, rebuild it. Rob, how you doing over there?
I think I'm doing all right.
Look, I made Mr. and Mrs. Gingerbread Man.
Good. What you say? I got a couple of skills.
I got my skills.
You got mad skills. I hope you enjoyed my family gingerbread night. Look, we made Daddy, Mommy, and Robby. Okay, everybody, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And look out for next week's video. Have a beautiful holiday season, everybody. Bye-bye.